Hey, so if AI tools are not loading in Clipdrop, yeah, like the page is stuck, tools won't open, or everything keeps spinning, that can be really frustrating. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, Clipdrop AI tools need a strong connection to load properly. Next, yeah, refresh the page or reopen Clipdrop. I mean, temporary glitches can stop tools from loading. Now, use Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. I mean, unsupported browsers can break AI tool features. Yeah, cached files can block tool loading. Clearing cache often fixes frozen or stuck interfaces. Now, extensions or ad blockers can block scripts Clipdrop needs. Try disabling them temporarily. Yeah, open Clipdrop in incognito mode. I mean, this disables cache and extensions automatically. Now, VPNs or proxies can slow or block AI tool requests. Turn them off and try again. Yeah, sometimes Clipdrop itself is down or overloaded. I mean, server issues can stop tools from loading. If nothing works, try another device or browser. I mean, this helps confirm if the issue is local. So yeah, that's how you fix Clipdrop AI tools not loading. Most of the time, it's browser issues, cache, or server problems. Try these steps and everything should load again. Thanks for watching.